Hello everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung curved monitor 27-inch C2790. So in this you can see the unboxing, and as soon as I open the box you can see that there is the monitor right in front of it, and within the box there are a few other things too. So after I take out the thermocol you can see that there are many things in it, such as the power cable and the VGA cable or the display cable. Then there's also the DC adapter within the box, which I have taken out right now. Then there are two things for the base for connecting the monitor. This is the base of the monitor, and that is the clamp for the monitor to be held in place. Now let's jump back to the review part of this video. So I've tested out this monitor for more than a month now, and I can see that it is definitely good. It's at 1080p 60Hz, so it's at 60 fps, which has 4 milliseconds response time, and you can see that the display quality is really good, and it is a 1500R curved display. So you can see that it's a 27-inch Samsung monitor and comes in at around $130 or 800 Qatari riyals. So I can definitely recommend it, and also it has been great throughout all the things I've done through it. There are 4 picture modes, which are custom, standard, vivid and movie. So you can switch in between them, and you can switch the sharpness and the contrast and the brightness of your monitor, and it looks really great in the different modes. Over here you can see a natural beauty playing in the background, and you can definitely see how the monitor is great in all conditions, and you can use it for productivity and also for a light bit of gaming with a 4 millisecond response time from the monitor. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.